Ghost notes at the bottom of this conversation. Drop my keys and phone against the rough pavement. Screens crack, but I still can't hear alright. String of words that I think I've used before. Can't think of another creative way to twist it. You feel safe, locked behind your bedroom door. I don't think that I'm ever gonna change that. Above, below, can anybody hear me? These strings, ghost notes, they don't work in theory. Store guitars and improvised drum sets. The kids are looking for a sound they haven't heard yet. Ghost in the woods, will you come out? String of words and I found a new ending. Think I found a creative way to twist it. It's swelling up, just keep on pretending. The truth seems like the only thing you wanna mess with. Above, below, can anybody hear me? These strings, ghost notes, they don't work in theory.
Hi. Can you guys hear me? Anyways, welcome to another studio vlog. It is really cold, so we're gonna make this really quick. In this video this week, we're working on a few different things. I'm still doing Inktober, kind of catching up slowly but surely. Also made a sticker sheet for my Patreon. Make Don't Break Patreon, monthly sticker packs, but I'm doing a sticker sheet this time, so it's a few different designs with like what that you can pull off. You know what a sticker sheet is, but that will be a first, so we're gonna design those. And oh, actually I think we might have just designed those in that last clip, but love how they turned out. Also finally started painting a jean jacket for Nita, who's one of my patrons. Or patrons, I don't really know, patrons I think. So it's been a very busy week. It is currently Sunday, so yeah, I'm just drinking this tea that actually is kind of lukewarm, so I'm gonna like reheat water and then get back to it. But thank you for tuning in. I gotta say, seeing all these clips together makes me feel like, oh my god, I did a lot this last week, but time to get it going and see where we're at. It's like Halloween next week, so November Patreon stuff needs to get here like tomorrow. So very excited. Thank you for coming back, and yeah, let's get to another studio vlog.
Shades of pink and they're on the diagonal. Art for art's sake, knowledge is power. When I was a bird, I sat on the power. Lines from the rain or the sunshine. Got lost in the wild flutter of life. And then I closed my eyes and moved past it. Got a taste for the old things now, and I'm falling in love with the classics. This is the analog prologue. Opera protagonist syndrome. Wash your hands twice before you think about kissing it. Divide up the nights into equal temperament. Bottom life is a movie. I almost wish that time would stop moving. Comfortably close and you see right through me. I painted a bird. When I was a bird, I loved to travel. Collected abstract sentences and put them together. Pinky swear that we'll spend time together. Indian giver, you think you're so clever, think you're so clever. Drink with your hands and share some with others. Crack screen, bad dreams, ripped sleep. Take these pills out of your medicine cabinet. The story is fiction, that doesn't make it less tragic. Doesn't make it less tragic. Addiction, just slow down.
Scream.